In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to morph between charts in PowerPoint. Morph transitions offer a sleek, dynamic animation effect that can transform how you present data, making your slides more engaging and visually striking. Let's dive in and learn how to create these morphing animations step by step so you can elevate your PowerPoint game. To get started, go ahead and open your internet browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft PowerPoint to navigate to the official PowerPoint page. Once you've located it, click on the link to open Microsoft PowerPoint in your preferred browser. If you aren't already logged in, it's time to enter your credentials so you can access your PowerPoint files. Look for the Login button and enter your username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see a dashboard with your recent presentations. From here, choose the PowerPoint presentation you want to work with, or start a new one if you're creating a fresh project. Next, it's time to set up your first chart. Begin by creating and formatting your initial chart with the data you want to start with. This could be any chart type that suits your purposes, such as a bar graph, pie chart, or line chart. Take care to choose the colors, labels, and layout that best represent your initial data state. With your chart ready on slide 1, the next step is to duplicate this slide. Find the thumbnail of this first slide in the slide sorter on the left. Right-click on it and select Duplicate Slide. This action will generate slide 2, which is an exact duplicate of the first slide, containing an identical chart. Now on to slide 2, this is where the magic begins. Here, you'll make all the adjustments you want to animate between the slides. Feel free to change the data values to alter the size of bars or segments of the chart. You might also want to experiment with different colors for various elements, or add and remove objects that sit on top of your chart to make the transformation more dynamic. With your changes made on slide 2, head up to the ribbon at the top of the screen and navigate to the Transitions tab. Within this tab, locate the Morph transition and click on it. This tells PowerPoint to animate the changes and transformations you made between the two slides, creating a seamless transition effect. To finish off, click the Copy button to generate and copy a shareable link of your presentation, just in case you want to share it with colleagues or friends. Finally, be sure to preview your work. Click on Preview to watch your chart morph smoothly from its initial state on slide 1 to the altered version on slide 2. By following these steps, you've successfully used the morph transition to enhance your data presentation in PowerPoint. Enjoy the boosted attention from your audience as they experience the fluid transformation of your charts.